welcome to my channel. I'm Man and today we're transforming my kitchen. Sit tight, we are starting right now. So this is my kitchen. When we first installed it a few years ago, I really wanted open shelvings. However, a few years ahead, we need all the space we can get for storage, and these tiny shelves are not working for us anymore. Another thing is that our apartment is an open concept, so the living room is basically facing the kitchen. If you know me, you know that I'm such a minimalist, and all of these utensils and cutting boards just laying in the open like this have been a real eyesore for me over the years. These open shelves does not look minimalist no matter how I style them. Another thing is the backsplash. It's not only that I dislike it, but it also looks dirty all the time. These shiny tiles show every single drop of water, especially in the around the sink area, and they look dirty no matter how much I clean them. So I have a vision of how I want everything to look, but first let's clean everything up. Now, first things first, I'm ordering the cabinets from the same guys that made the rest of the kitchen 4 years ago. I am a DIYer, but for the kitchen I really want it to be made professionally. I want to order cupboards just in simple white to match the rest of the kitchen. For the backsplash, I want to make it wood so it matches the countertop and just warm up the space a little bit. We are also removing the hood and replacing it with a built-in one. But before we do anything else, let me show you the plan. Now, before doing any makeover, I always like to do a mood board and make a plan. And I always do it on Milanote, who I'm so happy to say is the sponsor of today's video. Let me first show you what I've planned so far. So here's my kitchen mood board. As I already mentioned, I want to order white cupboards and wood backsplash. And I also want to install an LED strip along the whole counter space. As for the decor details, I want to add some sort of wine rack that looks something like this. I also have lots of Polaroids and would love them displayed again somewhere in the kitchen. Now, seeing everything planned like this is probably the most important step of any makeover, and Milanote is just the best place to do it. I'm just such a visual person, and using Milanote has been a game changer for my creative process. It's such a versatile platform where you can seamlessly compile notes, photos, videos, and tasks all in one place. Just think of it as your digital canvas for every project. For this makeover, I've been collecting so many inspo photos on Pinterest, and with the Milanote web clipper, it's so easy to snag all of my design inspirations from all over the web and save my images and links directly to my boards, keeping everything organized and accessible. And seeing my designs come to life like this is a crucial step in my design process. What I love most about Milanote is how it serves as a personal mood boarding assistant, making it super easy to organize my ideas and bring them to life. With over 100 templates specifically crafted for different design projects, you're never starting from scratch. Milanote also opens the door to collaboration. You can share your vision boards with your colleagues, clients, or friends to gather their insights and work together in real time. And what's best of all is that you can start with Milanote for free without any time limit. So sign up right now using the link into my description box and start your next creative project today. Try it out and let me know if you love it as much as I do in the comment section below. As for my kitchen makeover, what's left to do is to just, well, start. So let's do it. And it's finally install day. The guys from Goya Design came and did their magic as they do. Now, just a note here, these cabinets are not made of wood. They are made from high quality waterproof MDF, since, well, MDF is way cheaper than wood, and also it's really durable. I also wanted to mention that I will be adding the total costs in the end of the video. However, these cupboards costed me $600 in total, including materials, woodwork, and install, which, if I'm completely honest, it's a pretty amazing price. Well done, guys. Wow, they did an amazing job. I already love how the kitchen is turning out so much. Now, they had the Backsplash ready to install. However, I needed to do some electricity stuff first, which I'll tell you about in just a moment. So here's the thing, I had 2 plugs and 1 light switch, however I really wanted them hidden away, not just randomly placed in the middle of the kitchen. So I figured I'd move them right over here on this pillar. This way they'd be hidden away and they'd be placed where I need them the most, since that's where our coffee machine is. But how do I do that? Well, yup, my amazing dad jumped in and did it. Just look how sleek it turned out. Now, I didn't film the whole process since I don't really feel like giving you a DIY electricity advice, but if you're interested, just hit me a comment and maybe we'll do a video with my dad. Thanks, Dad, you the best. For the rack I've planned, I got these wine racks from IKEA and I wanted to add them one on top of the other since they looked so simple and I thought they would blend onto that wall so well. So let's install them. And finally, they came to do a backsplash install. What they actually did was just glued a piece of wood on top of my tiles, which I think would be a great renter-friendly hack. And my vision board was slowly but surely coming together, and I was so excited. And now it's time for the Polaroids. I had so many photos of our wedding day, here's me and my man, so I decided to glue them in a straight line on this wall here, right next to the sink. I got this two-sided tape and started arranging them right away. Here's us saying yes. This is my maid of honor, Katie. Shout out to my besties who made my day so special. Thank you, besties. Look at them. Oh, and shout out to my other besties. High five, girls. And now it's time to install the LED strip. I got this U-shaped aluminum channel and it came together with a diffuser for the light. I also got this LED strip in warm white, which we'll need to glue into the channel. Also this power supply box, which my man will install later. As you can see, we already have the wiring here, but we'll need to bring them down here where the strip would be. So let's start. Now I'm making this hole so that the cables from the LED strip can go to the supply box. I then proceeded with mounting the strips using disc clips, but sadly my camera died here, so there is no footage of that. I just screwed this and attached the strip on it. Super easy. And now my man is connecting the wires to the supply box, with the breakers of course turned off. And now it's time for the final touches. Now let's remember for just a second how the kitchen used to look like. And now, are you ready to see how it turned out? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked my kitchen makeover. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, since it really helps my channel so much. I'm planning so many makeovers for 2024 and you don't want to miss them. Thank you again so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye!